Oh shit.
Yo, where you at? I can't see you.
Oh shit.
Yo, bro. Real life NPC, bro. Homie told me to get out the field with them bullshit, get too deep. But I'm a shark and I'm in too deep. If I play them, I'ma put him to sleep. Like glove, black man, all black when I creep up, boy. Better run when I hop with that Jeep. Shit ain't no game, niggas playing for keep. Bro, told some shit like I hop with.
What's good, Twitch? Back at it again. You heard? Y'all didn't see me in a while. I'm on a new app. Fuck Monkey. Monkey was cool. Monkey had, I don't know, niggas showing us cow. The fuck? He talking about building shelter, pickaxe, little head, little teeth. Bro, I don't know, cuz he was fucking my head up. But yeah, me and Kai G's about to hop on here, talk to some joints, I guess. But yeah, after that video going on YouTube, you already know the vibes. You already know. Don't even try to act like you don't know, because you already know. But alright, let's get into this. Strictly female.
Can't believe we just watched that.
Oh.
Hello?
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 Where you from?
Can we stop saying hi? We get it.
What the heck?
I think he means state.
Where y'all from?
Florida.
Oh, I'm from nowhere. Katie.
Katie's pretty hot.
What's your name?
Me? My name's Savannah.
Oh shit, you. Oh, shake that. No. What is you doing? Hey, Haley.
Yo, I'm drinking this champagne right now, and this shit is nasty as fuck.
What is it?
Champagne, like Rosetta, I think it's called.
Oh,
I got it from a baby shower. That shit is nasty as fuck.
You took champagne from a baby shower?
Yeah, we all got one. It says, pop it when she pops. Cassie's baby shower.
Did she pop?
No, she ain't pop yet.
So why you?
Because I don't got nothing else to drink, and I'm 8 days sober from weed, and it's a Saturday night, and I'm like, fuck it, I want to drink.
Oh,
I might as well. Listen, I've been smoking for like 6 years straight since I was 13. Every day since I was 13, and it fucked me up mental. So I'm like, I'm 20 now, and I'm like, I need to quit. I can't.
The math
like,
not.
I'm low-key
The math
a little
not
slow.
mathing.
Huh?
The math not mathing.
Yeah.
You said 13, 9 years ago. That means.
No, I said 6 years ago. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So 7 years ago. I was 1 year off. I told you I'm fucking slow.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a little shaky right now. Where you from, though?
I'm from New York.
What part?
Buffalo.
Oh, damn. You all the way
upstate, yeah.
Yeah, I used to live in the Bronx, but I stay in Long Island.
Long Island?
Yeah. I
fuck with it up there. I've been down there a couple times.
Oh, it's a MILF. Oh.
I'm a MILF?
A MILF.
A MILF. A what?
A MILF.
I'm a grand MILF.
A grand MILF. Oh, you got that granny coochie?
Know what I mean?
That granny coochie. That granny coochie. Are you eating a pickle?
No.
What is it?
Jelly.
I haven't had one of those in years. Where are you from?
New York.
What part? Huh? I can't hear you.
Newburgh.
Where is Newburgh? What are you near?
I'm
near Poughkeepsie. Away from me. Albany's 2 hours away from me. Florida.
I used to live in the Bronx,
Period. I know.
but I stay in Long Island.
Oh.
But I'm from New Jersey.
What the fuck?
Yeah. There's a lot. You just corny. Your mouthpiece not like that. You won't. You won't. Don't do what? Huh? Oh, alright. Yo, what you? Yo, where you at?
Yo,
Yo,
yo, why can't we see you?
yeah. Fuck you at? Fuck you.
I look like a mess.
Oh, what?
What?
I look.
Right.
All that I look, he look.
How old are you? Like,
Hey, dog. Yo, what's
good? Why you so black?
Hey, shut your black ass up, nigga. You
Like
black.
you getting the light and get darker. Like, I don't like that.
Oh shit!
Yo, get Jabril Evans. Yo,
What's
you
up?
play Fortnite? You play Fortnite?
Yeah, I do.
I can tell you just be on there feeding like
Yeah.
no tug. When's the last time you talked to a girl?
Last time I talked to a girl?
You gotta think about it. You just butt.
Last time I talked to a girl?
Bro, yes, bro.
Oh, let me check my DMs. 30 minutes ago.
What was y'all talking about? Fortnite?
I was talking to her about the gym.
Yeah, just get out my face for I violate.
Oh shit!
Yo, where you at? I can't see you.
Oh shit!
Real life NPC, bro. Yo.
What's good? Where you from?
Are you blushing because you see me? Huh? Where you from?
Chicago.
So, ooh, you a rag baby. Oh, alright.
Red.
You safe out there? You easy? I can come get you. You sure? Oh my God! Frankie, we go to this ugly. Oh, my fault. How you doing?
Damn, you was talking about me?
Nah, we used to. Who that? Who said that? Who said that? Can't even see him. Oh my God! You never blew that day in your life. You never blew it a day in your life. Anyways, I'm sorry.
Choke that ass up. Oh, look at this.
You look like you take hella cum shots to the face.
I'm so lucky we on Twitch, cuz. Yo, get your strong neck. Larry the Lobster without the red.
Oh shit! That's not Larry the Lobster, nigga. That's Mandarag.
He popped me,
yours. You and your big ass forehead.
Cause you talking about big ass forehead. All
like a
that
fucking
big ass
Snapchat
forehead.
filter. Cuz let me promote this on the gram, cuz.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, look at your ugly. Not you, bro.
I'm actually streaming right now.
Bro, nobody's streaming, bro.
I'm streaming.
Yo,
What you streaming?
I'm around the corner.
Follow my stream. It's on Twitch.
I don't care, bro.
Yeah.
You're canceled.
Who canceled?
Post me on your IG.
Bro, I'm streaming right now. You all trying to self-promote. All that self-promotion shit is for the... Oh, what? Females?
All your females.
Bro, still him. I want you to.
What the fuck? Your body small as shit, dickhead.
Yeah, at least I'm not fat.
Do that, cuz.
Yo.
What's good, my heart? You straight?
I'm chilling.
Caillou grew up and grew hair? What the fuck? Oh, shit. Caillou. I'm Caillou. Caillou hit us. Fuck, you play with hella toys at us. You 21 play with toys at us.
Character.
Who, me? How?
Yeah, yo, what do you think we talking about?
Bro, how?
You thought we was your homies?
Yeah? Yeah,
He thought this was his hood.
You thought this was a safe place? No.
No.
I don't really care. You guys can say anything you want.
What?
I don't know.
Ever the kid. Shut up.
Oh no.
What the fuck? Oh, they right there.
Ew. Why y'all so?
What the
You want to what?
what the fuck?
Yo, you silky babe harass.
Silky babe, nigga, are you crazy? Watch your fucking mouth.
Why your homeboy Dickie in the background like he your girlfriend or something?
He'll spank you though, nigga. What you talking about?
Look, he doing it now. He in his feelings. What's good, bro?
Hey, bitch.
What's good, little bitch? What's good, little bitch?
Your ass up, you ugly
You little
ass.
ugly ass. Your beard don't even
Ugly
connect.
ass
Shut up,
fat
nigga.
bitch. Get no hoes, nigga.
Why your
You get
teeth
no-
crooked? Look at your bottom row teeth. Say cheese. What? Yo.
Jaden.
Hey. What's good, Jay?
You tired, bro?
Okay, baby face, buddy.
In the cut with my twin, we be
We be
vibing.
vibing.
Ooh.
How you doing? Oh my, what'd you say? Oh, we can't hear you. I said, how you? And this thing's playing 2K, like, yo.
Bro, who's playing 2K, bro?
Now to accept our responsibility. You Post Malone had us. You
Yeah,
got
Ed Sheeran hit ass. You look like Ed Sheeran when he retired.
Justin Bieber after the baby. Weird, bro. Yo,
That shit is hilarious. What up, man?
what's good, Phantom?
What's up, DJ Academics? Like, what the fuck?
Ooh, DJ Academics. Yep.
Yo.
What's good, bro?
What's up? You look like Boss Man D-Lo.
I look like Boss Man D-Lo. You know who you look like?
Anthony Edwards.
You look like Chadwick Boseman. You look like Chadwick Boseman. Wakanda forever.
Chadwick Boseman. I like that shit. That shit's up. So do I have cancer?
Yo. Nah, that name was kind of 3 boys, 1 girl. Yo.
Oh,
You drive it up.
Bronny James.
Big Ib, what the fuck? You got dreads, Big Ib. Yo,
Dirty Bob.
Dirty Baba.
What's good, Dirty Bubble?
Well, Orlando.
You better not. Bro, I'm not even saying nothing.
To my face. And it's like, just kidding. You didn't do this.
Hella mouth.
Where, can you close your mouth?
No.
Hella mouth.
Yep.
Let's teach. Oh, but.
Recognize me.
Ew, cause she busting my.
Why is
Those good shit.